Hey there, my name is Jackie and I am very excited to show you the items that I purchased at the Louis Vuitton store during my last trip to Europe. But I think I'm more excited about sharing with you how much money I saved by buying them in Europe versus buying them here in the United States. I was there around December, January, and I decided to give myself a little early birthday gift slash late Christmas gift. Okay, so I'll start by showing you the only item that I had planned on buying when I was over there. So I was in Palermo, Italy, and I visited the Louis Vuitton store there around, it was January the 3rd. So, So this is the nice BB, you guys. So the guy showed me 3 sizes. One was too big, one was too small, and I thought this one was the perfect size. I had promised that I would not buy any more handbags, but I did need a cosmetic bag, so I thought that this would be the perfect addition to my collection. And I will show you guys what fits in here. And also I'll show you the savings that I actually got by buying this in Italy versus buying it here in the States. This is a close-up. So I'm just gonna throw in random items in here just to kind of give you guys an idea of what fits.
These are not the things I'm gonna keep in here.
So for example, the nice mini, actually I got it wrong earlier. I called it the nice BB, but actually this is the nice mini. Now that I'm looking at the receipt, it was 900 euros. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's 900. Here in the United States, let me tell you, it comes out to 1,259. So when they say 900 in Europe, it already has the tax included. So with that said, it was $900 in euros, but the euro was a little bit more expensive than the dollar. So it turned out to be like a little over $1,000. I forgot the exact number of the taxes, but at the end, he ended up paying only $900 for this, versus if he had bought it here, it would have been $1,259. Hey! So that's like a $300 savings right there, you know. So yes, you're not getting like big massive savings. Like, don't think, oh my god, it's gonna be like $200. No, it's still gonna be expensive, but I rather pay $900 versus $1,259. So that's for the nice mini. Then this next item here, I had no intention on buying. I didn't even know it existed. Mind you guys, this was January 3rd, so there was a new collection out. Because it was January 3rd, they still had the holiday packaging. It's so cute. The sales associate, he was giving me champagne, and now I know why. Now I know why. He kept giving me, you know, a glass of champagne and showing me the new bags, which this is one of them. You guys, as soon as I saw her, I knew I had to have her. I actually was eyeing the Speedy 20 monogram. So I asked the guy, hey, you know, can you show me the Speedy 20 monogram? You know, because it looks so cute. But instead of showing me the monogram, he showed me this. I told my husband, you know what? I know that I said I would only buy one thing, but I'm in Europe, and if I try to buy this in the United States in the future, it's gonna cost so much more than if I just buy it here. It comes with the strap. You know what? I've seen videos of other women who have purchased this bag, and I feel like they are not too happy with the black strap, but actually that is what sold me, you guys, because I just love the contrast. This bag is so beautiful, pastel-y. I don't know if the camera can catch that. And then here it comes with the lock. The light leather is treated, but I kind of wish it had come with a black strap instead, kind of so that it matches the handles, right? But luckily one of my Louis Vuitton bags has a black strap, so I can always interchange them, you know, play around with them. But this is the strap, so it's a light colored, and I was not too happy about the light strap and then the light accents, because I thought, you know, it was gonna patina, but it turns out that it's treated. I didn't know that, and I am very, very happy to know that this is treated as well, so I don't have to worry about it getting patina later in the future. I don't really like that. I don't like that look. But yeah, this is the baby. This is the Dune collection. The inside is just, you know, a beige color. It looks like all the other Speed 20s. I'll show you guys what fits in here as well, and also how much money I saved on this one. This is going for $2,290 here in the United States, and the item is currently unavailable. So it's currently unavailable. So I can't even buy it here if I wanted to anymore. So it would have come out to like 2,400 or 2,500 versus I paid 1,850. Okay, so that is a big chunk of a difference. That's like $600. I saved $600 by buying it in Italy versus buying it here. And on top of that, it's not just the savings. Like, I can always have a souvenir or a memory from Palermo, Italy permanently. Like, this is the best souvenir, you guys. For me, this is the best souvenir. So I'm so happy. Okay, the last item that I got was this little guy right here, and I didn't purchase this one in Italy. I actually ended up buying it in London. And you guys, I did save some money, but not a lot. So I don't recommend, if you guys ever go to Europe and you want to purchase a designer bag, do not buy it from England, because they do not give you the taxes back. So you really don't get much of a discount, especially because the pound was so much more expensive than the dollar. So even though I did save some money, I didn't save as much as I could have if I would have just bought it in Palermo. We had drank so much champagne there, so I convinced me and my husband that I had to take a souvenir from London. This is it. Because I do not want to buy any more designer brands in the United States because of how much money it would be. Then I told myself, okay, I just need to get the one little wallet from Europe. It'll be my London souvenir and I will save money. But yeah, I didn't end up saving that much money, you guys. So don't buy designer items in London. They won't give you the taxes back. I'll show you guys what fits here. It's really, really small. All right, so for the Rosalie wallet, this one was 295 pounds in London. And here in the Louis Vuitton website, it is retailing for $400. And with taxes, it comes out to 438. But because I didn't get my taxes back, I didn't save as much as I would have. So once I did the conversion of the pound to the pound was a lot more expensive than the dollar. I ended up just saving like $40 with this one. But I mean, it's still $40. But I could have saved a lot more if I would have just decided to buy it when I was in Italy. My bad. That was my bad. But yeah, you guys, I am very happy with the savings. I think it's the best souvenir you can bring with you if you're already planning on buying a bag and you're already planning a trip to Europe. I would say just save your money, wait, and you'll come back with a great souvenir, and you also save the money. So it's a win-win. There's no losing if you decide to buy abroad. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.